If an outlet smells burnt, stop using it immediately. A burning odor means overheating, arcing, or a wiring failure. Here's what to do next. Safely. 1. Shut off power to the circuit. Go to your electrical panel. Turn off the breaker that feeds the outlet. Do this before touching anything plugged in. 2. Unplug all connected devices. If safe, unplug everything from the outlet. 3. Do not use the outlet again. Do not plug anything back in. A burnt odor means a dangerous condition is already happening. Using it again can trigger a fire. 4. Look for visible damage. Check the outlet and faceplate. Brown or black discoloration, melted plastic, burn marks heat or buzzing. If you see any of these, the outlet is unsafe. 5. Call a licensed electrician. Burning smells are not DIY jobs. There may be loose wiring, failed outlet contacts, overheated conductors, arcing inside the wall. Only a trained professional should open the box. 6. Never reset breakers repeatedly. If a breaker is tripping at the same time as the smell, do not force it back on. A breaker trip, plus burnt smell. Electrical fire risk. 7. Replace, don't repair. Outlets are cheap. Never fix a burnt outlet with tape or glue. Replace it with a new tamper-resistant outlet installed correctly. A burnt outlet smell is one of the most important warning signs in a home. Act fast, stay safe, and call a professional before damage or fire occurs. Like and subscribe for more electrical and home safety tips.